Okay, so on the homework for simplifying radicals, let's see if you are able to do problem number 12, which is the square root of 108. Okay, I suggest you pause the video, try to do it on your own first, and then see if you got it right. Okay, so first thing you can do is factor tree, because this is not a perfect square, so you can divide 108 by 2, and that gives you 54. 2 is a prime number, 54 is not a prime number. 52 can also be divided by 2, which gives you 27. 27 cannot be divided by 2. That's going to give you a decimal, but it can be divided by 3, which gives you 9, and 9 can be divided by 3, which gives you 3. So this one wasn't too bad. Go ahead and expand the radical. So you have 1, 2 2's, 2 times 2. You have 1, 2, 3 3's. 1, 2, 3. You can take out a few pairs and let's see what you have left over. So a pair of 2's is going to come out. Cross it out. A pair of 3's is going to come out. Cross that out. And you're left with a 3 under the radical. If you multiply those two, that gives you 6. Square root of 3 is your answer. If you try to do problem number, let's try and do problem number 15. Problem number 15 is the square root of 175. And that is also not a perfect square. 175 cannot be divided by 2 because it ends in a 5. Only numbers that are even can be divided by 2. And because this number ends in a 5, it can be divided by 5. So if you do 175 divided by 5 in the calculator, that gives you 35. 35 can also be divided by 5. That gives you 7. And all of those are prime numbers, so you don't have to continue anymore. Put all of them under the radical. 5 times 5 times 7. And only a pair of 5's can come out. So that's 5 square root of 7 is your final answer.